Entinanse ana ensoto Accra Ntamo Central Region hall mu nyina ema there was a heavy flooding ama manfo ajapade access nipa ewu ni ade na ebi mu kire se sad na ekokoso nansen mu no ayade ba kopɛ Mahama were curse to this country eno me Eda Mahama so na o ma refer ye to nsem bi a Prophet Dr. Owusu Bempah eka ye 2016 efa Mahama ho bedwedwamu amwate ase no akire wadwen Ede amame ewo comment section I Penyah blocking that mess right any day obe like video no do my subscribe button somebody click verification confidence update number chere wadwen da mame ewo comment section oba so a not your first any be ahwehwe na make am phone nala money send up any dey am o USA o UK open sense ka ediko fia na da force from promo code Penyah TV dey ewo ase ho na Penyah TV na wase ho na obje fair no na fa send this ka ekofi na o be chow $20 as a bonus for free or send this kind of code fia na da force no amount $20. Now let's go to the story. Ohwemu said in ansem atorenchem esini oyene ekoso Ghana hanom no ehu started 2025. In fact, it started 2024. Ye to be wi Mahama, ye to be wi Mahama ewe ne ye ye twen edina betina kunwa so 31st December 2024 de be 1st January 2025 ana kantamantu jato honom kanta sheye ne third ana Techima market eja to ho na eja to ha ne chese eja to Ghana ha no 2025 no enye easy eja ashi Ghana ha keje tie nyina ashi to aso be 3 times chese said eja esi be shishe Ghana ha no na enye easy and the next to that calamity was accident. How a car accident esi cause wo Ghana ha esi happen here in the year 2025 no nyame nko anenim car accident senior esi cause so wo Ghana ha no nyame hata suru nko anenim the number of car accident recorded in Ghana in the year 2025. Now say abia something which is so serious. Now you know na nko be anim say eto ebetwa what one say so asesa there's been different calamity when a flooding ensu yiri ana ene Ghana edi akon ensu yiri ene Ghana edi akon 2 weeks ago ana Central Region yiri ye emen so bubu amanfo dan efie be 58 ebubu ye say amanfo japade wo he onomo 2 weeks 3 weeks na mu no ana wusen so eto Accra mountain so ema Accra nyina yiri ama ajapade asai inipa nya baabi na nipa nso ebubu omo dan afefo omo cars ekọ asai omo shop jese amu mabra bob no abawie ye no eni enyan na adu nyina ekọso no ana amanfo enti ne babiase ana omo ya calculation omo ye se na dabi o omo ya hwemu a jese ye de Mahama betena kunya so bia ana se oye ni atorenchen ne ma kese esi Ghana ko obeka ya June 3rd 2015 na Mahama ana Ghana president. There was a heavy flooding at Accra Circle. Mahama president.
On June 3, 2015, Ghana recorded its worst flood disaster when some 154 people died in a fire and flood disaster at the Kwame Nkrumah Circle here in Accra. A combined effort of flooding and fire explosion from the Goil filling station resulted in the death of several people, including bankers, students, traders, and children. Properties which run into millions of cedis were also lost to the flood in some parts of Accra.
Mahama na bibi wono ho anti no ekokoso na beka ya koto ni still elections ni mo no Owusu Bempah beka asem for Mahama ho we ene nsem okan
onyame buafu.
Say that again.
Unu ade afere Klaus mununkum obi anim ehye mununkum ehye tears. God being so good onyankopon sman angels se omumfa bow enso so tears no se beya and drop down antisa calamity ebesi omanyimu because onyankopon se ne ma e Ghana ha na watie ne man paibo nti punishment bi a e se to man bi so ana o man so enam obi nti wa man angels at the bowl asoso eno mu de asi nchen eno onyankopon se Ghana fo nim na so mu go wrong against the onu nyankopon decide no say shaloto say yo say ye hwan yo onyankopon be masa tears no agu Ghana and say gu Ghana esuma Ghana fo e be experience no ene bra Ghana fo be bre no obi antimi blame nyankopon because
you're getting more controversial and more complicated, Bishop.
Chain so be mene ni west ene ne nan ene ne nsa ene onyankopon di na gina honom e twen judgment na sa nipa ko na wie be miserable.
Say that again.
Papa, me kasa in Proverbs.
Yes, I'm following.
I believe that you are confused.
I am.
But Ghana penfo bebrebe a hypocrite. Excuse my language. And men of God pure Ghana no mo person be kan kore. Obi timi sore ka se die ntina we a prophet o prophesy about election. He's the same yesterday, today and forever. To so nyankopon use old prophets. E mo prophesy afa government ho a. Next so read 1 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 28. No nyame ka se ma frebi ama government. Not just a sound of no kasa, they don't know their scriptures. Omo ko read the Bible ye. Onyame na sing no onyame na tu hene. Onyankopon kasa efa o mabia ho. Onyankopon ani wo mabia akonya ho. Obi bi obetina o mabia akonya so onyame nim hu bi. So obefa kwambo ni so obe wiemo so obe dey onyame nim hu bi. But judgment ni through honoma. God will judge you.
Very powerful and animated statements from you, Bishop. But let's come back and pick it. Somebody's face in the clouds shedding tears. And that's part of the reason why President Mahama may have spiritual difficulties, according to you. The person who is in the clouds, is he a Ghanaian?
Ghanaian. Why Ghanaian?
Is he alive?
No.
He's dead?
Yes.
When people die, do they stay in the clouds and shed tears?
There were tokens and symbols. The American is symbolic and it's true. Now, me peso be a challenge me. Me nkasa me nkwa na me man of God. But I'm telling you, Papa, can you believe, sir? God is my witness. Between 4 and 5, means minda.
4 a.m. and 5 a.m.
Yes. Mitimi su ema Ghana.
Why?
God is my witness.
Why?
I'm in pain because onyankopon e wo pain mu ema Ghana for.
Because of what? Who has done what?
Papa, I'm telling you, sir. Bibi si o man we say mu a. I'm surprised. Send nipatimi yes ade no.
Is it murder? Is it what is it?
Onyankopon bu afu. Enu nti onyankopon bu fu Saul. Onyame bu afu na media me kasa so onyame prophet. Obi apon didi matem I don't mind. Because mu didi matem me found because Jesus Christ we didi natem. Se Ghana fu onim no mu san ma John Mahama be president bi ma enima be sisi Ghana no obi antimi ntena Ghana. Mo pa mo mo date nto.
Well, these are strong words that you shouldn't be able to say.
Oh, but onyame se menka. So I have to say it.
Platform like that. Because we're going into an election.
Papa.
You are one man of God out of 300 men of God. Mr. Mahama is a Christian.
Papa.
The president has been in churches. So to arrogate to yourself the right to tell us that God says don't elect President Mahama. You can talk about who the prophecy says will win, but now you are telling Ghanaians and even threatening Ghanaians not to elect President Mahama. That's partisan.
The reason I make us say, Onyankopon ebufui Jehoshaphat, because Onyankopon so rejected Ahab and then the wife Jezebel, because emoja woman saho, woman left here bosomsom. Timer.
Are you likening that to something President Mahama has done?
Mekaba. Timer. Ahab. Onyankopon decided so be kumuno. A Jehoshaphat cause wako help no. Ko nyame kum Jehoshaphat. Obi a nyame rejecting no yen help no yen moa no.
In 2012, did you prophesy that President Mahama would win?
2012, me kase na nadu be win but yen fama no. Ebe ko court but yen fama no, and it came to pass.
Say that again. Nanado will win.
Nanado will win, but omo fama na ebe ko kopie court and esi.
So you said God knows about people becoming presidents, whether good way or bad way. So God anointed President Mahama to lead 2012.
Enyo nyame na anointed no. Enipa timi di omo ho. Oman kasa self. Here, Senka David tena ho. Ena nka wanye serious. Anka Absalom ebe yi David efiri na konya so. Now, Ahithophel, Emma Absalom advice, powerful advice, accurate. Emma David who say go in Ahithophel. One shampabua to Brika, echo mountain top, Cobom Pesera, the Bremubi, na baby adruneding. Because Ahithophel advice not the Amame but Absalom no, me kingdom na baby yet. Eradime your favorite, Bremubi, and when you me bear mubi. And to Nyankopon koso Ahithophel ne advice anka beboa Absalom nankwatimi defeat David ayi na fina konya so no onyame ma sa advice ne yankwase asem e wo Absalom asom e mo kotie nkwala asem e mo onyame yusu sa e de save David enti papa me ka no kra kire Ghana fo se enye obia no onyame de ne tena konya so nipa bitimi de wo man kasa self. In
2008, did God anoint Professor Mills to win?
Mekai said, already be a many, the 31st night. And I mean, who say, Nana do kute key. Or be a dono, the moon answer crophobia distracting attention. The moon answer present at Tamils every netia kura down and a mutoye. Mekai saban, you better no more than once. And a copy a time. As for that, the
clouds crying. Who's that? When? Who has been? Yeah, who has been chained? You said somebody's been chained.
I know, so I'll tell you.
Is that person alive or dead?
Oh, he's alive.
The one who has been chained?
Oh, and I'm Ghana had a beer.
He's an evildoer?
No. Wakamo jebi, I did be magu, amunyami buafu.
And he's been chained.
Obi bow edu jina baby papa ye hwie ne moja and taking a position. I'm telling you. I know what I'm saying.
I don't understand what you're saying. But
no, maybe I will explain it, but not now. I'm in pain.
Like the one in the clouds.
I'm in pain, yeah.
It's every which I say. And some knows me about kind of 2016 no. Na no kre na ono na kwajizi kabe dane na no esabe promote Mahama. Ben ye nipa no mu hwe no mu ebe campaign for Mahama, but and some no can at that time no. Na no kre it when in some Ghana for ebe community say Mahama was a curse to this country.
Hello. President John Dramani Mahama, what is wrong with you? What has come over you? You see, when the first rain happened, there was a serious tsunami when you were out there. Somewhere 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago, there was a torrential rain. Ghana was flooded. You were outside. We thought when you come back, you come and figure out something for Ghanaians and make sure that you are a father for the nation. You were going to drench all the gutters. Because this is June, July. We know it's a rainy season. Or has the nation been cursed because you have become a president? What is it? There was a fire and there was water. Minti bida, fire and water. Look, the country need prayers. Besides drenching all the gutters. Papa na obeka say, omwekun, cows, they've killed 34 cows before NDC won the elections. Besides that, were some cows buried alive? You see, when the land is angry, sometimes, wallahi summatalai, God himself said, Senibufu ya, it is rain, there will be storm, either by stones or water will be consumed by our own curse. One, we have to drench the gutters, yes, but Ghana need prayers too. Because after elections, when things like this are happening, you have to be a critical thinker. Look at houses that we don't even expect them to be flooded. They are all flooded. They are all consumed by water. You came back 3 weeks. You came back. You did not even focus on that. You are thinking of 5 years so you can rule us again. Lie, never. For what? You can't think for us. We mandated you to come and rule us. Look at the flood everywhere. Poor Mother Ghana. We are being consumed by rain. Bonina mu ye na ansa na mu win elections no. The land is angry. The land is angry. Allah the kanshi fadi. Duba, if God is angry, there are so many signs he shows. He shows a lot of signs. In that, look, start gathering all the imams, the pastors, and let them start praying. I mean, the real God-fearing ones. Let them start praying for the land because people are dying. Innocent people, they know nothing. What is it? And you are talking about 5 years. For what? What kind of nonsense policy are you talking about? Instead of you to focus on you there. And this muhuya mi wanwa. Muhuya mi wanwa. Baby asem no wano. You don't focus there. Near ense enhiano. That is where you are. Look at the country today. This morning, Monday. The whole Greater Accra. Everybody is crying. Why? Why is it so?
I was not a show. John Mahama a curse on the nation. John Mahama. I am ya sabra Owusu Bempah. The prophecy Bob Montese Moja aye papa nsama enti papa nti me di president bio. Na Owusu Bempah entimi anyina ne nan so. Na ye invite asofo na Owusu Bempah ko obi. Na from there on let's say Nyankopon yi curse na friso. Nyankopon yi curse mfi John Mahama so. Nyankopon onyi curse mfi John Mahama so da. Because eda obebe bia no asem kesia nko na toman no oyenda kesia na toman no eja dwon adai bone ba na Ghana fo aye wei sa musu wei ana wo so de Ghana wo beto wei mako 5 years no for term of office ako 5 years musu wei se wo hu ena so hu ena captain smart mu nyina o mu nyina ze o mahwe o ma no makoma no atum oba hunu say because yenti nema biase vemo no amode kwachi yebo no wa no Ghana police munsu sa vemo no na mfa rescue nkrofo ni nyina mfa rescue because say no ade na twam flado nka me se pono bu afukura na o so ate afam bi because mentiase abrosan tintine kura zo na yira fa abrosan no na se zo yira fa abrosan na hwan ne betimi agina mu bio wohu ni yenya video bia one parliamentary select committee on housing and work said obey major demolition it doesn't make sense. Obi anu ho see dan wa bra wan kwaje permit e wo district assembly ho eja don e de na mo ye de aboa me de fix sa flood issues. Accra nyina na flood no Accra nyina a flood chese ye twa ye ni a ye hu ba bia se sabre on to se nso no betwe ana be hunu se nipa efiri mu na nipa emfiri mu ye nim musu na John Mahama dia be di man so wei wo se wo ba be sisam ama abekọ 5 years na 5 years de be do se na Ghana fo na nke nyina yewu na wei Greater Accra Regional Minister atimi afa wei munso wei mu de akwaje award as best performing minister na the papa bay na wo waye won kran ho measures bay na odi ato akwan mu se yemfa enkebi that flood issue ya ekoso yi okotena abontere kokase wa solve issue ani nansa ana nnehwe na bunkam Ghana Accra nyina so no sese yehu ne yenka sese yehu ne yenye sese atu babia dread de ginyame no ana bebam because sese na gi yensam yehu yenim yehu so yehu hwe abuzua say yeto aba Bible say nipa boni ni di oman so a oman ni si apene. This is the clear example and the clear way kagana Bible ni hia we no the example e de akere nkrofo say nipa boni fo di man so oman ni si apene. John Mahama ebi nie
wo so betan kire waju ne e de amame e wo comment section Penyah Block Media Accra.